Hello my lovelies, how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing fine. Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. My name is Shelly. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I decorate my kitchen for fall. It is all about fall, you guys. These next couple of videos is going to be all about fall, and I love fall. It's one of my favorite seasons. And then of course Christmas. So you can say basically from here on out for the rest of the year, I'm going to be decorating, I'm going to be doing organization, I'm going to be doing ideas for family gatherings and all that good stuff. So make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button below, and that way you'll know every time I upload a video. Okay? All right guys, so this is my train of thought when I'm decorating for any season. I'm gonna start off with a clean slate. So I'm gonna take everything out, and that's exactly how I organize, and that's exactly how I clean. I don't like to try to maneuver around things. Now there are a couple things that will stay in place, and I'll show you those items. And that's okay, we can work around those particular items, but for the most part, I like to have a clean, empty space. So the first step is to clear everything off, give everything a good wipe down, and then we're gonna start decorating. What I like to do is use as much as the items that I already have, and then if I have to go purchase something, I already have an idea of what space needs a little bit of help or a little bit of pizzazz. So without further ado, let's get decorating. Let's remove everything off our surface, you guys. Now I do have a betta fish, and that betta fish is gonna go ahead and stay there. Those are the few items that I tell you I'm not gonna move, and I like her to be there for now. I typically will move her around the kitchen just so that she interacts with the family a little bit more. But for right now, she's okay there. My knife set is another item that's going to stay put because I do use it, and it's in a perfect location for me right now. Now to wipe off the countertops, I'm going to be using the all-purpose cleaner from Method in grapefruit, you guys. I need to get some of the fall scents, but I love this scent so much. I can use this all year long, and it just leaves a very clean and soft smelling scent. I like to spray everything down and allow everything at least a minute to settle in. That way the cleaner is working and it's doing its job, so that all I have to do is come and wipe right behind it. This is a dry rag, just to polish the stainless steel. All right, so now that everything is cleared off, just on a note, you guys, I don't like a lot of things on my counter. I'm gonna bring some decorations up to the top, so that's out my way, so I can work a little bit more up there. In order to prop the pumpkins up, I'm gonna be using some of my coffee table books, since I'm not using them there right now. It's gonna help me lift up the pumpkins just a little bit higher, and that way they show a little bit better. Remember this used to be blue and I just spray painted it white. It does have some autumn leaves in it, and this is from the Dollar Tree, and I want to say it's this little stem from the Dollar Tree, and this is the eucalyptus. This is just one little spray of eucalyptus from Michael's, and I showed you guys that in another haul. So all I did was basically put in the eucalyptus and then tuck in the flowers, and that's it. So I'm gonna put that here to add some greenery and some interest to this corner over here. And just another little pumpkin from the Dollar Tree to complement each side.
Bravely let me in. I could wait 1,000,000 years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. I found a star in you, always guiding me to where my words are true. I've waited 1,000,000 years before, and I'll do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. Yeah, it's hard to be
Okay, my lovelies, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love decorating for fall, and I'm so happy that my kitchen is finally done, you guys. Next video is going to be my coffee station. That's why I didn't show it to you guys, because there's nothing there right now, and that's going to be a completely separate video. So make sure that you subscribe down below, and also give me a like if you guys like what you saw, okay? I do appreciate that. That helps my channel grow and other people to be able to find me, you guys. And as always, if you guys have anything that you want to add or maybe any kind of suggestions, go ahead and leave the comment below and tell me how you guys liked it. Okay, so that'll be it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.